Okay, so this is our first video for Unit 4. It should have a big 4 on the front of your envelope. You'll notice that these materials are in like packets. So that's to help you keep it a little bit more organized. And so unless I tell you to rip one off the front or off the back, try to keep them in the packet so it's easier to find. Inside of your envelope you should have, I think, 5 things and a picture page. So you should have our divider, which we're going to do in this video, the vocabulary part, and the picture sheet. This one that has the reading on the front, and then the minerals, how to identify, and then we've also got a problem packet. So if you're missing any of those things, make sure you message me on Schoology, and I will try to get them to you as soon as possible. Today you are only going to need this sheet, either crayons, colored pencils, something, and then like a big black or other dark marker. So we're working on Unit 4. And Unit 4 is just on minerals. So what you're going to do first before you do anything is you're going to cross off rocks and. So our next unit will be on rocks. And we'll have the same divider, but we will cross off minerals, and minerals. Do that over here too. So cross off rocks and. If you want, you can also put a 4 over here, so that when you see it in your notebook, remember that's Unit 4. This is a mineral. This has big chunks of minerals in it, but it's a rock. This is definitely a rock. You can also cross off this one. We're not going to color that one in. So you're going to get that one cut out, and we are going to go put it in our notebook. So make sure that you do not cut out this thing. This tab is what helps you find it easily when you're like, oh my gosh, my attendance quiz, I need to get to Unit 4. Where is it? Blah, blah, blah. So you can flip through and get to that. So almost got that cut out. Now you're not going to want to glue it in until you're done coloring it. I'm not going to glue it in either. Well, no, I will. Because again, if you try to color it with colored pencils after you put glue all over the back of it, your pencils are going to rip right through it. So in your notebook, we've had Unit 2 and Unit 3. I know we didn't do one for Unit 1, so flip all the way. This should be your last page of Unit 3. And then you should have a blank page on the back of it. We are going to skip that page, because our dividers all fit on the one that's to the right of the spiral. So you're going to get that taped in. Oh, another pro tip. If you have just regular clear tape, either like this kind or the really big kind for like boxes, if you put enough tape over here on the edge, like this, kind of around it, so you need more than one piece. You can trim the extra off when you get it done. I had to move that one long enough. And also make sure that you put one between the word like minerals and the paper so it doesn't rip. That's going to help your tab from not ripping when you put it in your backpack or store it somewhere else. So you want to get it glued in so that it sticks out over here. Make sure you can still see the flap. And at the top, you're going to want to write Unit 4. Oh, I'm going to pull that down. Unit 4. And you can write minerals again. I'm going to. You do not have to. Not a bad idea. And then make sure you take a picture of that on your iPad to submit it. During today's activity, during your Edpuzzle, make sure that you are coloring this in real nicely. On Schoology, at the Unit 4 cover, there's a picture of this all colored in, so you could try to color it like that or color it however you'd like. Minerals come in all colors of the rainbow and shades of gray. So that is our divider page. Should be pretty easy.